Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a while now at SketchingFineArt. I've been really busy with some graphic design, freelance projects and some new classes that I've been teaching at Skillshare. So if you've not heard about Skillshare, it's a creative platform where you can learn creative illustration, design work and loads of other creative media on a kind of class basis, video basis, similar to YouTube, but a lot more directed towards the creative sphere. So click on the link that I've left in the description below to actually view my first published class on that Skillshare platform. It's about digital illustration on the iPad Pro, and I've really been enjoying doing that, and I've had a very good response from it. So do check that out and support me in this, please. It would be an absolute great help. So today's video, what I'm going to do is just do a quick little unboxing or packaging of some supplies that I ordered. I actually ordered these supplies specifically for my next Skillshare class, which will be sketchbook challenge. It's going to be similar to the challenge that I did on this channel, where I did the 30-day sketching challenge, but this will be using more real media rather than digital. So so over here I've just got, well, this should be the sketchbooks that I ordered, but yeah, do check out that channel on Skillshare. It really is quite an amazing platform to kind of learn from a creative perspective. So yeah, so over here we've just got the invoice, just throw that to the side, and I ordered some of these sketchbooks. I'll leave a link in the description below where I got these from. You can have a look and read the reviews or purchase if you like. So these are just basic sketchbooks, A5 size. They're 140 GSM, 40 pages, really nice acid-free cartridge paper, made in the UK. Works really nice for, like, you know, small sketchbook project, but I specifically bought this for the sketchbook challenge, and I'll go more into that in detail on the intro of the Skillshare class. So do click on the link below to find the most updated version of that. So just move these to the side. So yeah, just 3 copies of sketchbooks to draw in, really cheap, not expensive. And over here we've just got, I think this is some cartridge paper. I think this should be like an A4 pad that I ordered, watercolour. I'll just yank this open, just move the packaging to the side, and move that. Little fumbly bits all on my fingers. Right, let's just open this up. Very nicely packed. This is a regular paper that I use. I mean, I use a lot of paper, as you'll probably already know, with all the different type of mixed media artwork that I do. But this paper that I have over here, it really is a very good grade paper. Just move that to the side. So it's just the Strathmore Bristleboard paper, 20 sheets. This is the series 300. So this is kind of like the mid-range series. They go like a lot higher than that, where they get really expensive. But I think this is a decent kind of, like, you know, price range, and it's quite you know, you can get some decent results on this. It's not A4, it's 9 by 12 inch. Sorry, that's the dimension that I get this in usually. And just flick over, you can see. I'll see if we can bring it up on the canvas. It's very textured paper. This, it's very nice, very good, acid free, beautiful, good weight on it. And it works on kind of with most media. I mean, I'm going to be using mainly coloured pencils and watercolours and graphite for this. So so that's it for this video. It's just short, quick and easy. It was really kind of a prompt for you to have a look at my Skillshare class that I published last couple of weeks ago. And do stay in touch and leave some comments in the section below and let me know what you thought of the actual Skillshare class. And do sign up to Skillshare. If you sign up through the link that I've left below, you'll get the first 2 months free. So that's a great deal, and it really is worth it if you're looking for like a creative platform to learn digital, traditional art, and all of the type of creative work. So thanks so much for your time, your support, and your help. Hopefully, I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep sketching, and peace.